Real talk for a second. When was the last time you actually cleaned your mattress? Not changed the sheets, not flipped it, I mean genuinely cleaned it. If your brain just went blank, you're not alone. Most people never do it. And it's not because we're lazy, nobody really teaches this stuff. A thorough mattress cleaning every 6 months is a common recommendation. And if you have allergies or pets, more frequent cleaning can make sense. Because here's the part people don't think about. Your mattress collects dead skin, sweat, body oils, dust, and allergens over time. Dust mites feed on that buildup, and mattress cleaning guides consistently recommend vacuuming, spot treating, and deodorizing to reduce that accumulation. That old mattress smell? It's not random. It usually comes from sweat, moisture, and bacteria breaking down residue over time. And those yellow stains, that's often oxidized body oils, not dirt. So, no, you didn't do anything wrong, but now you know what you're dealing with. And the good news is, you can clean it with a simple method using ingredients most people already have. White vinegar and baking soda. That is the simple secret to a clean bed. No fancy machine, no expensive spray, no deep scrubbing that just pushes moisture deeper into the mattress. Here's how to do it. First, strip the bed completely. Sheets, pillowcases, mattress protector, everything off. Wash the bedding right away while you work on the mattress, because hot water washing is commonly recommended for bedding when you want to reduce dust mites and allergens. Then take a quick look at the mattress surface. Notice where the stains or discoloration are. Most of the time, it's the center where your body rests, and sometimes around the head area. Next, make your spray. Fill a spray bottle mostly with white vinegar, then add a little water. If you want a fresher scent, you can add a few drops of lavender oil. The vinegar helps break down odor and grime instead of just covering it up. That's the point. You want the mattress to smell clean, not temporarily perfumed. Now lightly mist the mattress. And I mean lightly. You want damp, not wet. Too much liquid can soak too deep and create a drying problem later. Hit the stained areas a little more, then gently dab with a clean cloth. Don't scrub. Let that sit for about 5 minutes. Now comes the baking soda. Sprinkle it over the surface. Sprinkle it generously across the entire mattress surface. Don't be shy. You want a visible layer. This is where the reaction starts working. The vinegar and baking soda help loosen residue, and the baking soda keeps going by absorbing moisture and neutralizing odors. Mattress cleaning guides consistently recommend letting baking soda sit for at least several hours when possible, because that gives it time to do its job. Now simply walk away and let it sit. Give it at least 30 minutes. An hour is better. If the mattress is older or the smell is strong, let it sit longer. If you can open a window or let the room air out, do it. Dry air helps the mattress finish the job faster. Then vacuum everything up. Use the right tools for the job. Use the upholstery attachment and go slowly across the surface. Don't rush this part. Get the seams, edges, and corners too. This is the step that makes the whole thing feel dramatic, because you're pulling out what the baking soda absorbed: moisture, odor, and loosened debris. And once you're done, the change is usually obvious. The smell is lighter or gone. The surface looks fresher. And if the stains aren't too old, they'll often look much better too. For older or deeper stains, a second round may help. That's normal. Some stains have had years to bond into the fibers, so don't expect one quick pass to erase everything. Now here's how you keep it from getting bad again. Do this twice a year. Spring and fall are easy to remember. Use a mattress protector because it slows down the buildup in the first place. Let your mattress breathe sometimes by pulling back the sheets for a while on a dry day, and vacuum it now and then as part of regular bedroom cleaning. That's it. Your bed is now fresh and clean. You just deep cleaned something most people ignore for years using 2 basic ingredients and a little patience. So here's the question. When was the last time you cleaned your mattress, and did the smell or the stains bother you more?